Hi viewers, I'm here today to tag you another interesting episode of Tag Time. As usual, I'm going to bring you something which is very much happening in our society, in our system and in our community. We are spreading more and more diverse into the system, into our own, very much culture, bringing the diversity in Canada. Today, when we talk about art and culture, stage, play are the most vital and ancient way of communication. We bring out comedy with a message to the social system. Today, I'm going to introduce you with our very good team who is doing a play called Bihar Diaries. Very first person who's sitting right in front of me is Mithul Kadakia. Welcome to our show.
Thank you for having us.
Along with him, we have Shiri Mohyuddin. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
And then we have Surya Narisa. Welcome to our show. All three of you looks like very young, talented people who are very much passionate to show us a little bit. So I will start with you, Mr. Mithul. That how would you explain what is the thing as Bihar Diaries? What is it?
Bihar Diaries is a tale of lies and it's a situational comedy drama that we are bringing on November 7th. It's presented by a school called You Can Act. We recently started a drama in an acting school which is run by the name You Can Act. We started in March, and the actors who were part of this school, for them, their graduation, so to speak, or for them, they had a project or their next project is called Bihar Diaries. We had called in people for an audition to come out and showcase their talent, and that's how Bihar Diaries shaped up or started up.
तो शीरी, आप ये बताइए कि इसके अंदर आपको क्या मोटिवेशन थी जो कैरेक्टर आप कर रही हैं वो आपने पिक किया और आपने सोचा कि ये आप ही कर सकती हैं?
Well, actually, I had auditioned. My gut just told me to audition. I was taking classes with You Can Act, as Mithul had mentioned, the acting school. I did that, and I just started gaining more and more confidence. Now, the biggest motivation for me to do a play was my journey with weight loss. And that weight loss brought a lot of confidence in me, made me pursue my passion for the arts even more. But I had auditioned for another role, which my partner in crime, her name is Jim Lee in the play. That was her role that I had auditioned for, but I got an older person's role. I play about a woman who is in her mid-40s, and I am certainly not that age, so that was definitely a challenge. But it's great fun. The play is not about age, it's all about different varying maturity levels. So I get to play someone who is not typically me on an everyday basis, and that's the greatest motivation for doing this play.
So Reggie, now I'm going to move towards you. So how would you explain about your character and how much satisfied you are what is being done?
Yeah, so first of all, I got into this so I was talking to some friends, and I also got to learn about the play coming up. And someone told me, you know what, it's a good idea, you can try an audition. So I just went casually, tried to find out what it is about. I've always been interested in appreciating actors, especially it's a lot of hard work behind the scenes, and that's why I said, okay, let me give it a try. In the play, I play a school inspector, a very corrupt school inspector. School is in a mess, kids are in a mess, and it's no discipline in the school. And that character is also, he's a school inspector who flirts with his teachers, and he has a very bad reputation. And
Not only flirts, he does more with the teachers.
And he does more. And so obviously that is something which is completely different of my normal life. And that's an interesting part of it. So playing something which is something different, and realizing what are the challenges behind that, and how you do it, and how you get into character. I think there's a lot of things that I get to learn from that. And, yeah.
Coming back to you, Mithul, how
Sure.
would you explain me, how would you like to share with your viewers the journey of your stage plays?
Of stage plays, in terms of, I have been a stage performer. I used to personally dance with the Shamak school that has been around for numerous years. I was one of their principal teachers here, the senior instructor here, the manager here. I used to run the school for 6-7 years. So I've always been very close in terms of the stage, the sound, light, the behind the scenes, you know, being in front of stage, captivating the audience. So then when I stopped that and I said, you know what, we started another company which is to do with events. It's called PGA International. PGA International and Yar Entertainment are the companies who are producing this Bihar Diaries. So we said, why not carry on and do something what we got when we were on stage, the audience looking, cheering, you know, it gave you a kind of boost, motivation. You wanted to do something more. You know, it's a platform where you feel you're the star. So that's why we said, you know what, the same feeling that we felt, there are so many thousands around who want to feel a certain feeling like that, who want to feel a place, who want to feel that star, who want to get their moment of fame. So that's why we started something which is a drama school, which gives you all that. There are kids. Before I started teaching at some point of time, I used to be a very shy kid. I used to not speak, and people who know me now, they're like, you never spoke? That's really, you know, too hard to believe. So that's why a school like this, which helps you, which grooms you, personality development, it could be your character as a person. Acting is such a thing where it's not only about yourself. You're like, this play has 13 characters, so you are working as a part of a team. So there is so much more. Our acting also, or our play also has dance sequences. So we've got the Shamak Davar team to be our official choreographers for the dance sequences. So now you're learning dancing, you're learning about voice modulation, you're learning about grooming yourself overall. And who doesn't need that? आप एक interview में जाते हैं, there you need to make that other person believe that you are the fit person for the role. Self-confidence. So there is so much that you gain through just that one acting class. So we're like, why not? And in our community where there is so much out there, everybody wants to do something. So we thought, why not create a platform where people can learn with us? We can have an open call for audition, and then we produce something together. So that's how I think the entire Bihar Diaries story came across. It's also inspired by a Hindi play called Jaaj Partal. It's a situational comedy, and the director of our play, who's also the lead actor in the play, he's studied and he's taken up a course in the National School of Drama in Delhi. And he's a fine actor. He's done like a good 150 plays when he used to act in India. And then so he's our partner in the play. He's also the director, my partner in crime in that sense. And so we together are bringing this entire thing together, and we're really very excited about the play. And yeah, like our characters are somebody, like she works and she has a full-time job, and Surya has a full-time job, and in fact 2 of our characters are doctors. One runs a clinic, one is like I think in the emergency internal medicine, he's a doctor, and he's also, you know, so excited about the play. They are devoting their time, you know, from dealing with patients and then eventually coming there and you know, getting all their stress out. We have 3 professional actors as well who are in the play, jinka professional, they act professionally. One of them is also recently who won the Bollywood Star ka I think crown she won. So she's Shannon, her name is Shannon. So she's also part of the play. We have I think 3 or 4 elementary school kids who are part of the play. So yeah, it's literally you know, 13 different people with having 13 different stories who are coming together for one goal: to act, to perform, to entertain through Bihar Diaries.
I certainly understand that it's a great way of integration of people.
Yes.
So usually what I have the perception about stage plays, it's the very, very ancient way of expressing
Yes.
and conveying social problems also.
Yes.
So how much your play is going to contribute? Is it going to deliver some message, or it's just based on comedy and making people happy and entertainment?
Yes, there is a certain message for sure in the play, because the title Bihar Diaries, where did that come from? So Bihar, it's basically a little script from something that has come from Bihar, right? And India, Bihar is known. Currently there are so many controversies going against Bihar, so we're not going into any of that. We're not touching any political aspects of it, but the characters, like Bihar in that real sense is known कि हर बंदा वहाँ पे corrupt है, कुछ ना कुछ underhanded. तो हमारे जो स्कूल टीचर हैं वो एक्चुअली खुद अनपढ़ है लेकिन स्कूल चला रहे हैं. हमारे जो मैजिस्ट्रेट साहब हैं उनको लॉ का कुछ पता नहीं है, पर वो सिफारिश, मेयर के सिफारिश से लॉयर बन चुके हैं. तो हमारा जो मेयर है उसको बराबर बात करने भी नहीं आता है, पर कुछ कहाँ से वो कैसे करके वो मेयर बन चुका है. तो बेसिकली और ये सब को ये द होल व्हाट आई वुड से क्लाइमैक्स ऑफ द सीन इज कि एक बंदा आता है जो जांचने आता है कि क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, राइट. एंड तो पता चलता है उसको कि मेयर भी करप्ट है, मेयर की वाइफ भी करप्ट है, स्कूल टीचर भी करप्ट है. जो भी प्ले में है, एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू डू थिंग्स अंडर द टेबल एंड यू नो ब्राइब दिस पर्सन एंड सो ऑन, एंड देन इवेंचुअली दे गेट टू नो दैट द पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली देयर इज फूल्ड देम ओवर. तो आप इन द लॉन्ग रन आप ज़्यादा किसको फूल नहीं कर सकते. जो सच्चाई है वो बाहर आने ही वाली है, एंड इवेंचुअली वो सबको बुद्धू बना के चला जाता है. एंड सो दैट्स व्हाट द प्लेस वी आर यूजिंग कॉमेडी एज to pass this message on. So it's light, people are going to get entertained, and they're still going to take the message that we are trying to put across in the play. पर हमने वो हंसी का माध्यम यूज किया है basically.
Lightest way is always more striking than to make things serious. You know,
Yes.
with light mood, you can address real serious issues,
Absolutely.
and people grab it and they enjoy it. So now I would like to know that what is the future you see as our community is growing more and more in here?
Yes.
So what is the future of stage plays in Ontario, especially with Southeast Asians? What is the response you get?
आपने ये जो क्वेश्चन पूछा वो बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, एंड इट आई समवेयर इज ऑल्सो आंसरिंग जो आप पहले बोल रहे थे कि जो ये थिएटर का माध्यम है वो अभी से नहीं है, वो सालों से चला आ रहा है, वो सदियों से चला आ रहा है. तो इट इज़ ओनली द राइट थिंग टू डू. जो साउथ एशियन फील्ड में यहाँ पे है, साउथ ईस्ट एशियन बोले यहाँ पे, या अगेन आवर प्लेज इन इंग्लिश, सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओनली इंडियंस और पाकिस्तानीज और साउथ ईस्ट एशियंस, उनके लिए नहीं है. इट्स आइडिया इज़ टू गेट मेन स्ट्रीम, आइडिया इज़ टू all of us together under one roof, and that's why the play or the school itself is called You Can Act, which has a very strong meaning with it कि आप कर सकते हैं, आपके अंदर वो है, आपके अंदर वो always है. You just have to get the right platform, you just have to step out, और आप जब एक बार आएंगे you can shine, everybody can act. आप नॉर्मली अगर एक ज़िंदगी में भी रोज़ आप कोई ना कोई एक किरदार निभा रहे हैं, हम जो मूवी में देख रहे हैं वो एक्चुअल रियल लाइफ है, पर रियल लाइफ में भी आप एक माँ है, बहन है, भाई है, नॉट द डॉन भाई, द ब्रदर सिस्टर, एंड you are in a relation, so बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड, आप एक चाइल्ड रह चुके हैं, आप एक एम्प्लॉई हैं, तो आप कितने सारे डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स आप प्ले कर रहे हैं. So in the long run, we definitely want to come up with more plays like this. We want to get more and more people to encourage to come out and use the platform that we are offering to, improve your confidence or come out of your shell and not be shy. And it again, ऐसा नहीं है कि जो हर कोई मेडिकल स्कूल में जाता है वो डॉक्टर नहीं बनता है. तो हर कोई जो स्कूल में जाता है वो काफ़ी बहुत कुछ सीख के जाएगा स्कूल के बाहर. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपको ये एक प्ले ही करना है. लाइक हमारे जो दूसरे एक एक्टर हैं वो कमर्शियल्स करते हैं, मेन स्ट्रीम कमर्शियल्स करते हैं, बट शी ऑल्सो थॉट दैट व्हाट, थिएटर इज़ अ टोटली डिफरेंट scene. It's all one take. It's not कि आपने it's all live. You only got that one shot to give it all your best. So we are going to come back. We are in fact already, the current characters are only so excited because hamari abhi in fact after we are done with this, we are going for our rehearsal, and they are finishing their busy schedules and they're like, oh no, we are going to miss this, what next? So we are again going to हम बात कर रहे हैं एक script की. We may come back again with another play that comes out in Feb. So we're working towards it. Let's keep our fingers crossed how it goes.
So when this play is going to be on Bihar Diaries?
This play is going to be on November 7th, which is this Saturday, and it's at 3 o'clock, and it's at a beautiful theatre called Michael Power St. Joseph School, and it's in Etobicoke. Yeah. So
Anybody particular they can contact our viewers if they want to buy the tickets, or they want to contact, would you like to give any number or anything?
Sure. They can visit our website, which also gives a little more information about the play. Website is pgai.com. I'll say it again, pgai.com, and they can reach us at 647-344-5566. The number again is 647-344-5566.
And we're also active on Facebook and Instagram. So
Yeah, hashtag Bihar Diaries,
Yes.
and you will see
Yes,
some of our
everywhere.
crazy rehearsal videos, and it's
All about
yes.
all the fun time.
Yes.
So Shiri, being a woman and deciding to work in this play, did you have any background for doing acting, or you decided to do it and just went for it?
That's a great question. Ever since I was a child, my mother was very encouraging, very positive, because her dream was to be an actress, but at that time it wasn't very encouraged. She was always discouraged, but she always wanted to see that her children fulfilled their dreams or their ambitions, or fulfilled their passion, so to speak. So as a child, I did musical theater, not much speaking, more dancing, singing along. When I moved to Canada in the year 2000, a few years later, I had auditioned to take part in a TV show that was on Sun TV, I believe. I did that for a while. It was directed by Mr. Naushad Memon, who is related to Mahmood Saab and Meenu Mumtaz, and Lucky Ali, a very inspiring musician. I did that for a while. I took a break, but I've always been an artist. I've seen in my life. I am a photographer as well. I am in the process of writing a screenplay that revolves around a female character. As a woman, Bihar Diaries touches a lot upon issues that women face. I can speak for my character in particular. My character in the play, there are subtle hints that she is abused at home by her husband physically. We don't show that in the play for sensitivity reasons. But as a woman, I would say it's great to get out of your comfort zone. I wouldn't say theater is not encouraged by women, or not encouraged to be pursued by women. I really look up to Shabana Azmi ji. She's one of my inspirations, or Huma Qureshi. They're fabulous actors, fabulous, beautiful women who are very successful in the field, and they've both started in theater. So they are my inspiration, role models, I would say. So I hope to follow in their footsteps one day.
It's very, very encouraging that still there are so many prejudices against women
of course.
to work, especially the type of work you're doing for acting and all that. Our societies are still very conservative, regardless. We are living in 21st century. It's a really very courageous step you have taken, and congratulations and best wishes for that.
Thank you.
So Surya ji, were you an actor by birth? You were born like that, or you picked and choose to be who
I
you
think
are?
he was born loving women and women loving him.
That's for sure. Well, completely different. I have had no clue at all about acting. I'm a professional engineer. That's what my profession is, and I've always been in that, just working in this. But I've always thought of acting being a necessary element for everybody. That's something which I always encourage for my kids as well, because it helps people to gain confidence, as Mitul was saying earlier. Gain confidence, and then every day in your life you're always acting. At work, at home, or anywhere, it's acting. And it's important that everybody gets that, build that strength and the confidence in that. So when I got this opportunity, this platform, I was talking to Vaibhav, our director. He said, you know what, don't think that you cannot do it. You can act. It's just a matter of setting yourself in the mind and give it a try. And that's what I did. So I had absolutely no clue about acting before, no training, nothing. But when I joined the rehearsals, it's like training on the spot. Okay, then the director would say, okay, you do it this way, think of that, just imagine yourself in that situation, and then react so you get into the character, and that's what I've been doing, and it's an amazing experience, a really amazing experience. Now I kind of, whenever I would watch a movie or somebody acting in a play, I can feel that the amount of work behind that, the amount of talent that's behind all these, and you appreciate those people even more. And at the same time, myself personally, I feel I've got a lot more confidence. In my profession, I have to talk to people, I have to talk to clients, I have to give presentations to the public, and so on. So these kind of things help. And I leave work in the evening, I look forward to going to practice. I know we are going to be there till probably 10, 11 or later in the night. But it's so interesting, and you look forward to that moment. And we are going to miss this after the play.
No, don't worry, we'll have another starting soon.
It's been really nice talking to you. I thank you all and wish you very good luck for your team.
Thank you.
For
Thank you.
sharing all your experiences and encouraging
Thank you.
people.
Thank you.
Viewers, I would like to say here, I would quote again Aristotle, who said that whatever we are a social persona. We are wearing a mask of a society for the person who we are. Yes, we are all born actors because we are given different roles of playing simultaneously in our lives. Artists are those sensitive people who recognize this and try to convey certain messages to contribute in the social system for the better envisionment which they see through their lives. They are the most courageous people and the most intelligently vibrant people who brings out society's integration and the messages through their performance, acknowledging that yes, we are born with different capabilities, but yes, we can address simultaneously very politely the issues we have in the society so that we can move forward with some better answers and some concrete results out of what we are doing. With these words, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. A lot to learn, a lot to see. We are very, very vibrant, colorful culture people, and we are contributing passionately.